If your Epic Games Launcher downloads are crawling, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to increase your Epic Games Launcher download speed so you can get back to installing your games much faster. This is especially useful if your launcher seems stuck, slow, or capped for no obvious reason. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. Once it opens, look at the top right corner and click on your username. This will bring up the account and launcher options. From there, click on Settings. This is where Epic Games keeps the download controls and performance options for the launcher. Now scroll through the settings until you find the Download Settings section. Inside this area, look for the option labeled Throttle Downloads, or sometimes it may appear as Download Limit. If this setting is turned on, it can cap your download speed and make the launcher go much slower than it should. To fix that, click the checkbox or toggle for Throttle Downloads so you can edit the limit. Then set the speed value to 0. In many cases, setting the download limit to 0 disables throttling completely, which allows the launcher to use your full available bandwidth instead of restricting it. Once you've entered 0, make sure the setting is saved or applied automatically. After that, you should notice your downloads begin to run much faster, depending on your internet connection and server conditions. If the speed still doesn't improve immediately, pause the download and resume it, or restart the launcher so the new settings take effect properly. That's really all there is to it. By disabling download throttling in Epic Games Launcher and setting the download limit to 0, you can often boost your download speed in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.